Okay, so low boy. So this one, so I don't know. Maybe every year I come at 4 or 5, not lost now. So the low boy furnace are common. So I think maybe 20, 30 years ago. Yeah, but now it's normally we cannot see. So they all changed by the high efficiency furnace already. Yeah, but you still have some chance to see this low boy. Yeah, so we call the low boy. So in fact, that's the time ago. So now the low boy, the height is still higher than the new furnace. Yeah, so the low boy design just for the most time for the split house. So when they install the furnace in the cross space, so the furnace that time is higher than this one. Yeah, so and there's no enough space to install the furnace. That's why so they designed the low boy. And so some ways to know if this furnace is low boy is not only through the height of the the furnace. So we can see the return. So because normally the furnace, so we know the blower motor is bottom, the gas side is the upper. Yeah, so but this one, the low boy is different. The low boy, like we can see the the left picture, the retain air from the back of the furnace, like the back here. So if we open the back door here, we can saw the thing like this, the blower motor filter in the back of the furnace. And then, so they just blow the air through the bottom of the furnace, go to the front side. All the front side here, it should be the heat changer. Yeah, so that's the difference. So with the normally furnace. So back is the blower side, and the front is the heating side. Yeah, so that's normally we saw. Okay. So we know this is a low boy. So the blower and the electrical motor are at the back of the unit is just save the the space. Yeah, that's why they designed for the low boy. Just this side is bigger than the normal furnace, and this side is lower than the normal furnace. So low boys are not common now. So because the manufacturer now produce units that can convert it from the upflow, downflow, or sometimes horizontal. Yeah. So now, if you saw the building, there's a cross space. Sometimes we just install the furnace by the horizontal. That's to save more space, and all the duct works so in the cross space. Yeah. So on the new furnace, so if you saw the new furnace is use a PVC pipe. So normally there's a height is 33 inch now. So like this one, at least is 40 inch high. Yeah, so that time is called low boy, but now it's not. So this wall furnace. So wall furnace may be found in the addition of the building or the recreational properties. So sometimes the mobile home, so the mobile home we still can see the wall furnace too. Yeah, so because there's no need the full size furnace, or just because inability to extend the duct work from the normally the mechanic room to the every room in the building. Yeah, the wall furnace are generally less efficiency than the other high efficiency furnace, or even the medium efficiency furnace in the mechanic room. Yeah, so normally, so if we saw this one, we know it's a low efficiency. Yeah, so this one, so we can see there's some grill here. So at the other side of the grill should be the filter. Yeah, so normally the air goes through here and into the side here, the bottom is the burner. Yeah, the suction the burner from the burner. Yeah, so heating the heat changer. Heat changer is almost the same. And then blow the hot air sometime from here. Sometimes so they still have a short duct and to the other areas. Yeah, the horizontal, like the right side one. So that's the normally we can see in the cross space, the horizontal installation. Yeah, so in cross space, so because the limited height here, yeah, so that's the only way we can install the furnace is horizontal. Yeah, so this unit operates just like a standard upflow furnace. Yeah, just the installation is horizontal, it saves the space. So most furnace built now are manufactured as a multi-position. That means we can install upflow, we can install downflow or horizontal. Yeah, so if you change the install direction, like the downflow or horizontal, so just like I said before, you need to read the manual and to check how to change the the direction of the inducer motor, and some like the drain pipe. So you should change. So maybe you should change the pipe like this one. So the drain pipe we should put maybe change from the top here to here, or from here to here. Yeah, just to make sure that all the condensate water can drain out completely. Yeah, so horizontal position with some small adjustment of the various components inside the appliance. Generally, the data plate. So yeah, so somewhere like here or here. So on the back of the cover, so you can find the nameplate or data plate. So that data is rated a horizontal appliance, but install menu, install menu will tell you so how to change the the adjustment for the inducer motor or condensate water pipe. Yeah, so the nameplate not tell you the all the information there, but some furnace, some brand, so they only can install upflow. So if like that, so the data plate or the nameplate will tell. So okay, so this furnace only can install upflow. Yeah, so some nameplate or data plate, so maybe tell so this furnace can install upflow, downflow, or horizontal, but some not tell.